In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hostinger account in 2025, sign up or register for Hostinger and start your website all in just about 5 minutes. Hostinger is a popular web hosting platform that offers easy to use features and great performance at an affordable price. So whether you're starting a new blog, launching a business site, or even creating a personal portfolio, Hostinger has all the tools you need. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's visit the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's homepage. You can easily find it by typing Hostinger into the search bar. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a vibrant layout full of different hosting options and services designed to help you get your idea online effortlessly. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the landing page layout, as it's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Now that you're on Hostinger's homepage, look for the login button. This can typically be found in the upper right corner of the page. Even though you're here to create a new account, clicking login is the first step in the sign up process. Clicking this button won't just take you to the login screen, but will also provide an option to register a new account if you haven't created one yet. After clicking on login, you will see a register button. Go ahead and click on register. This is where you'll begin setting up your Hostinger account. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information such as your email and password. Make sure to use an email address that you check frequently and choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've set up your credentials, it's time to proceed to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. To do this, go to the home section of your Hostinger account. The hPanel is your central hub for managing everything related to your websites. Spend a bit of time getting familiar with it if you haven't used it before. It will become your go-to place for managing your website's hosting needs. Next, we want to add a new website. Look for the website section in your hPanel. You'll click on this to start the process of setting up a new site. It's pretty straightforward and leads you through what options are available for your intended use. Once in the website section, you should see an Add Website option. Click on this to begin creating your website. You'll be guided through selecting your desired hosting plan, setting up your website's domain, and choosing a website building tool if needed. Follow the on-screen prompts, which are designed to be intuitive and help you start your web journey quickly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Hostinger account and started the process of bringing your website to life. Remember to explore the platform, take advantage of its myriad of features and resources, and most importantly, have fun with your new online project. Thanks for watching and happy website building.